Good morning children. Today we will start with exercise 12.2 question number 4th. In a two-digit number, the tens place digit is 3 times the digit in the unit place. If the digits are reversed, the new number becomes 36 less than the original number. Find the number. We have to find the number. How to find out? See. It's ones digit and tens digit. So we will take let ones digit be x and tens digit what we will take be 3x. Now two digits number, two digits number, this is tens digit, what it is 3x, it is tens digit, so we will multiply with 10 plus unit digit, that is x. Nothing we will multiply with the ones place. If you multiply, it will be 30x plus x, it will be 31x. Now in the question it is said reversing the digit. If you are reversing the digit, then the two digits number, what will be the two digits number? Tens place will be x, so it will be multiplied with 10 and the unit place will be 3x. If you multiply, it will be 10x plus 3x equal 13x. Now according to question, what it is said, if the first digit becomes 36 less, that means 31x minus 13x equal 36. If you subtract, it will be 18x equal 36. Then we have to find the value of x. X equal 36 upon 18. 18 1 ja, 18 2 ja. We got the value of x is 2. Now we have to find a two digit number. Two digit number. What is the two digit number? 3x. Which place it is? Tens place plus x. That means it is 3 into 10 30x plus x. That means it is 30 plus 1 31x. That means 31. What is the value of x you got? 2. Then 2 1s are 2. 3 2 ja 6. Then what is the digit? The digit is 62. Now see question number 5. The question 5th is the sum of the digit of two digit number is 7. On reversing the digit, the new number obtained is 9 more than the original number. Find the number. We have to find the number. Fifth solution. This is also place value. So we will take let tens digit be x and ones digit be 7 minus x. So the digit number x is in 10 place, so we can write it 10x. Unit place is 7 minus x. Is it clear? Let it be like this only. Now reversing. If we reverse the place value, this ones place will become in the tens place, that means 10 bracket start 7 minus x plus this tens place will become in the ones place, that is x. Let it be like this. Now according to question, what is the second place value? The second place value is 10 bracket start 7 minus x plus x. And what is the first without changing the place value? That is 10x plus 7 minus x. Now according to the question, what is the first digit that we have to write? If 9 is more, if 9 is added more, so 9 is added more, then equal what is after reversing? 10 bracket start 7 minus x bracket close plus x. Now you solve the like term together, 10x minus x plus 7 plus 9. You multiply x with 7 and x with 10. 10 with 7, that is 70. 10 with x, that is 10x plus x. Now this is 10x. 10x minus x, that is 9x plus 7 plus 9, 16 equal. 70 will remain as it is. Minus plus minus. 10 minus 1, that is 9, but 10 is greater, that's why minus 9x. Now like term together and unlike term together, x, 9x. This minus 9x, when we transpose, it will become plus 9x equals 70 minus 16. This 16 is plus, if you transpose, it will become minus 16. Then 9x plus 9x, that is 18x equals 70 minus 16, that is 54. Now x equal 54 upon 18. 18 ones are 18 threes are. What is the value of x we got? That is 3. Now 2-digit number. What is the 2-digit number we have? That is 10x plus 7 minus x. If we solve, that is 10x minus x plus 7, that is 10x minus x, that is 9x plus 7. Then the value of x what we got, that is 3 plus 7. The 9 threes are 27 plus 7. 7 plus 7, 14, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, that is 34. What is the number we got? The number we got is 34. The 2-digit number is 34. Now see question number 6. The denominator of a rational number is 2 more its numerator if the numerator is increased 4 times and 8 is added to the denominator. The new number would be 4 upon 3. Find the original number. Please see it carefully. We have to find numerator and denominator. So we will take let numerator be x and denominator be 2 more, that is x plus 2. So the rational number, what will be? X upon x plus 2. This is numerator and this is denominator. Is this step clear? Now according to the question, what it is? Numerator is 4 times. Numerator is 4 times and denominator 8 is added more. Then the fraction becomes 4 upon 3. Is this step clear? After that, you write the numerator as it is 4x. Denominator 2 and 8 will be added. It will be x plus 10 equal 4 upon 3. Now you cross multiply it. If you cross multiply it, it will be 3 multiply 4x equal 4 bracket start x plus 10. That means 3 4s are 12x equal 4 multiply with x, 4 multiply with 10, that is 4x plus 4 10s are 40. Now like term together, 12x minus 4x equal 40. Then 12x minus 4x is 8x equal 40. So the value of x equal 40 upon 8. 8 ones are 8 5s. The value of x is 5. So the rational number, what is the rational number? It was x upon x plus 2. What is the value of x we got? 5. That is 5 upon 5 plus 2. So the rational number will be 5 upon 5 plus 2 is 7. The rational number is 5 upon 7. Is this step clear? See question number 7. The age of Arun and Akash are in the ratio 7:5. After 6 years, their age would be in the ratio of 5:4. Find their present age. We have to find both of their present age. We don't know their present age. So how to solve? We will take the ratio. Let the Arun and Akash age be 7x and 5x. As it is ratio, we will take as x. Then what it is said? After 5 years. 6 years. What is Arun's age? 7x plus 6. Akash's age? 5x plus 6 would be in the ratio of 5 upon 4. Would be in the ratio of 5 upon 4. Now cross multiply it. 4 bracket start 7x plus 6 bracket close equal 5 bracket start 5x plus 6. 4 multiply with 7, 4 multiply with 6, 5 multiply with 5, 5 multiply with 6. 4 7s are 28x plus 4 6s are 24 equal 5 5s are 25x plus 5 6s are 30. Now like term together, 28x minus 25x equal 30 minus 24. Then 28 minus 25, that is 3x equal 30 minus 4, that is 6. Find the value of x. X equals 6 upon 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are. What is the value of x? X is 2. Now we have to find Akash age and Arun's age. First we will find Arun's age. What we have taken as Arun's age? We have taken as 7x. So 7 into what is the value of x? 2. That is 14 years. Then Akash age. Akash age is how much it is? 5x. That is 5 into 2. That is 10 years. So what is the age of Arun and Akash? Arun's age is 14 year and Akash's age is 10 year. Now see question number 8. Manisha's mother is thrice the age of Manisha. After 4 years, Manisha's age would be 2.5 times that of Manisha. Find their present age. We have to find both of their present age. We don't know their present age, so we will take let the present age of Manisha equal x years and Manisha's mother's age 3x years. Present age of Manisha's mother equal 3x years. Then what it is said? After 4 years. So after 4 years Manisha's age x plus 4 years. Then Manisha's mother, that is 3x plus 4 years. Now according to question, what it is said? Manisha's mother age is 2.5 times Manisha's age. Now 3x plus 4, it will be as it is. You mix form it is. Change the mix into whole. 2 to the 4 plus 1. 5 upon 2 x plus 4. You get the value of x. That will be Manisha's age. Then you put it over here. You will get Manisha's mother age. Okay, do it.